Welcome to Chris Linford Get Going Guides. This episode we're going to be looking at some effects that we can use to some graphic elements on your page. And what I've done is I've just imported a picture here. I've got it in a CSS box. It doesn't matter what you bring it in, anything at all. We're going to be looking at going down to actions and using the attention effects. So these things are effects that you can apply to them. So we're going to have a look at attention, and the idea is it just draws the eye to an element. So if we look at the control panel in the actions window for this, we have an on page load. So when the page first loads, what effect do we want, and what do we want to happen if we trigger this? So if it's a button, what will happen during that? So we're going to first have an on load, so we're going to have it to shake onto the page. This is the duration of the shake, so we're going to have it as 1 second. We can put a delay on it as well, and on trigger we're going to have it pulsate, and we'll have that on 1, and we'll tell it what image we want it to apply to, and it will be triggered on click, although I could do a trigger on mouse over as well, so you can have a different effect as you roll over. So let's preview this and see what it does. So it shakes when it comes on, and then when I move over and click, it will start to pulsate. So it gives an indication that you've clicked on something. It shows you what are available on your site to draw the eye to it, so you can see what it is that you want people to focus on. And you can just click and change this. So now I'm going to have it pulsate when it comes on, and I'm going to have it shake when I roll over it this time. So let's preview that. So now it flashes when it comes on, and when I roll over, it just starts to shake. So every time I roll over it, it will just shake from there. So it's a useful little thing to use. I don't think it's something you should overly use, but it could be useful on a site at any time. So this is chrislinford.co.uk. You can find me on Apple, iTunes, or you can find me on YouTube.